I'm Kelly Malone, broker, owner of Reliable Realty and the Real Estate Academy. And if you're brand new in real estate or you're just considering getting your real estate career started, there's an important statistic that you need to know. That is 87% of realtors drop out their first year in real estate. That's right, 87% of agents fail their first year. Why is that? No coaching, no help, no training that's needed, no direction. Our program offers you a very comprehensive, boots on the ground approach to learning contracts, learning about marketing. You're meeting all the players involved with the transaction, including escrow, title, home warranty, etc. We have business planning. We're gonna give you all the tools that you need to be successful your first year in real estate, and it's taught by myself and my managing associates who have all achieved major success in real estate and who are also graduates of the Real Estate Academy. So for more information, please don't be a statistic. Reach out to me, DM me. I'd love to help you further your career in real estate. And if you're not happy with where you are, maybe you're new in real estate and work somewhere else, we'd also love to have you. Make it a great day.